suprememastertv.com/schedule.
Nos programmes offrent plusieurs langues. Veuillez visiter suprememastertv.com/schedule.
Nuestros programas ofrecen varios idiomas. Visiten suprememastertv.com/schedule.
I nostri programmi sono offerti in molte lingue. Consultate suprememastertv.com/schedule.
I just pray to God that they'll listen.
We also.
I pray to God to give them the power to understand what I'm saying, to believe what I'm saying, and just to do what God's will. Because God says everywhere in all the religions, thou shalt not kill.
Please, keep watching to find out more.
Don't be vegan. Only beautiful people choose it.
Supreme Master Ching Hai's lectures are not a complete meditation instruction. Please do not try alone. For free of charge guidance, please visit godsdirectcontact.org or contact any of our centers near you.
Today's episode will be presented in English with subtitles in Arabic, Aulacese, also known as Vietnamese, Bulgarian, Chinese, Czech, English, French, German, Hindi, Hungarian, Indonesian, Japanese, Korean, Malay, Mongolian, Persian, Polish, Portuguese, Punjabi, Romanian, Russian, Spanish, Telugu, and Thai.
Bonjour, le français est l'une des langues principales de la Guadeloupe. Je m'appelle Estelle. Les charmants Guadeloupéens vous souhaitent l'amour céleste du royaume sacré. La Guadeloupe est un archipel situé dans la magnifique région des Caraïbes, comprenant plusieurs îles principales et de nombreux îlots plus petits. Cette région française d'outre-mer est dotée de plages de sable fin, de forêts tropicales denses, de superbes chutes d'eau et de marais d'eau douce et de forêts de mangroves luxuriantes. Pour préserver le patrimoine écologique exceptionnel des îles, le parc national de la Guadeloupe a été créé et 77% de la superficie de l'archipel constitue désormais une réserve naturelle. Ceci inclut la zone marine environnante, dont la protection a été assurée pour la première fois par le célèbre océanographe français Jacques Cousteau. La réserve Cousteau est nommée en hommage à ce champion de la première heure de la conservation marine. Les Guadeloupéens soutiennent aujourd'hui les initiatives écologiques comme la culture des pois et d'autres légumineuses. Ils ont également mis en place l'interdiction des sacs en plastique à usage unique et de toute la vaisselle jetable en plastique. En même temps, les insulaires chérissent les traditions culturelles. Le chanter Noël est une tradition qui consiste à chanter des chants de Noël entre amis, tandis que le Gros-Ca est un style rythmique qui est également inscrit au patrimoine culturel immatériel de l'UNESCO. Enfin, il y a la musique classique inspirée par le violoniste virtuose et compositeur guadeloupéen du XVIIIe siècle, Chevalier de Saint-Georges. L'œuvre de ce célèbre artiste est commémorée au cours du Festival international de musique Saint-Georges. C'était merveilleux de vous présenter quelques belles régions de la Guadeloupe. Brillants téléspectateurs, puissiez-vous bientôt trouver le chemin de la vraie liberté. Depuis des décennies, Maître suprême Ching Hai éclaire notre monde avec 16 enseignements divins. Maître totalement illuminé, elle enseigne la méthode de méditation Kuan Yin à ceux qui désirent découvrir immédiatement la nature de Dieu en eux pour parvenir en une vie à la libération éternelle du cycle de la transmigration. La méthode Kuan Yin a été pratiquée par tous les maîtres illuminés, tels que le vénéré honoré du monde Bouddha Sakyamuni, le vénéré fils de Dieu Jésus-Christ, le maître vénéré et philosophe Confucius, le vénéré Seigneur Krishna, le maître vénéré et philosophe Lao Tse, le vénéré Seigneur Mahavira, le prophète bien-aimé Mahomet, que la paix soit sur lui, Sri Guru Nanak Dev Ji et bien d'autres. Maître suprême Ching Hai souligne que si nous nous souvenons toujours de Dieu, rendons service aux autres de façon désintéressée et suivons les lois de l'univers, nous atteindrons notre potentiel le plus élevé en tant qu'être humain et comprendrons vraiment notre mission sur Terre. Étant un extraordinaire exemple vivant de compassion, elle envoie régulièrement avec amour une aide matérielle et financière aux réfugiés, aux sans-abri, aux victimes de catastrophes naturelles et à d'autres nécessitant des secours. Maître suprême Ching Hai remercie respectueusement tous les individus spéciaux, organisations, dirigeants et gouvernements pour tout votre soutien sincère, aimant et continuel. Que le ciel vous bénisse pour toujours. Nous, les membres de l'Association internationale de Maîtres suprêmes Ching Hai, sommes aussi sincèrement reconnaissants pour votre gentillesse expressive. Nous vous souhaitons le meilleur. Le Maître suprême Ching Hai reçoit l'amour et la reconnaissance de diverses organisations, médias, gouvernements, particuliers et de nombreux prix comme le prix Guzzi de la paix en 2006, considéré comme le prix Nobel de la paix en Asie, le prix du leadership spirituel mondial en 1994, le prix Mahaver en 2008, le prix Mahaver en 2008, le 22 février et le 25 octobre, tous deux proclamés jour du Maître suprême Ching Hai et la citoyenneté honoraire des États-Unis, etc. Et a été honoré au fil des ans de nombreux autres prix et reconnaissances pour ses actions philanthropiques et humanitaires exceptionnelles. etc. Nous nous excusons de ne pouvoir montrer les nombreux autres prix et honneurs par manque de place et de temps. Maître suprême Ching Hai remercie respectueusement tous les individus spéciaux, organisations, dirigeants et gouvernements pour tout votre soutien sincère, aimant et continuel. Que le ciel vous bénisse pour toujours. Nous, les membres de l'Association internationale de Maîtres suprêmes Ching Hai, sommes aussi sincèrement reconnaissants pour votre gentillesse expressive. Nous vous souhaitons le meilleur. Véritable voix pour nos magnifiques amis, les animaux personnes, Maître suprême Ching Hai promeut l'alimentation végane de paix et d'amour et rêve qu'une fois que l'humanité s'éveillera au caractère sacré de toute vie, nous aurons un monde totalement végane, paisible et glorieux, où les personnes des royaumes humains et animaux vivront en harmonie respectueuse. Ces initiatives comprennent la distribution du dépliant, le mode de vie alternatif, les restaurants véganes internationaux Loving Hut, des sociétés d'aliments véganes, des produits en fourrure véganes, Supreme Master Television, ainsi qu'écrire et parler aux influents dirigeants des gouvernements et des médias. Participer à des conférences télévisées sur le changement climatique, etc. Que nous le sachions ou non, ces efforts ont eu une énorme influence en sensibilisant, de par le monde, au mode de vie qui respecte les animaux et au fait que cette voie bienveillante peut apporter une paix durable entre les nations, tout en sauvant notre planète du changement climatique et des catastrophes. Le Maître suprême Ching Hai a voyagé dans le monde entier et a fait des discours en public ou à ses disciples sur divers sujets spirituels. Lors d'un récent appel téléphonique, le vendredi 22 octobre 2021, notre bien-aimé Maître suprême Ching Hai a passé un temps précieux à partager son amour et sa sagesse en répondant à certaines questions que les membres avaient sur divers sujets. Aujourd'hui, nous avons la chance de vous présenter le perspicace appel téléphonique intitulé « Le ciel n'accepte pas que l'on tue les enfants à naître », partie 8-8, dans Entre maîtres et disciples, donné en anglais le 22 octobre 2021.
Sao đành lặng câm hồ thu đấy rồi sóng ngầm gió trên mây thổn thức thầm cho mưa.
This is truly hypocrisy from the Pope, because remember, a long time ago, he condemned same-sex marriage.
Yes.
And didn't give them any blessing that was requested for their marriage. Remember?
Yes, Master.
It's kind of like he denied them, yeah?
Yes. That's right,
like
Master.
disowned them.
Oh, yes, Master.
Like they're the worst sinner or something untouchable. They only marry each other. They harm nobody.
Yes, that's right.
And many of them are very charitable, very kind people, very artistic also. I know many of them.
Yes. Yes, Master.
And they do it out of love also for each other. And love is what counts, no?
Yes, Master.
And condemn them until the ultimate. Deny them communion. Deny them their union. And excommunicate them.
Yes.
Deny them and hurt their feelings. And sabotage their psychological wellness and mental tranquility. And destroy their emotions.
Yes, yes, Master.
In the long run, it has a very big psychological effect.
Yes, right.
Because they trust these priests and pope, and they let them down. Instead of giving them their blessing and telling them to be more abstinent, even if they think they're sinners, then tell them to repent, right?
Yes, yes, Master.
No, condemning them. And here, murdering children, babies, cannot condemn. He said, don't condemn them. Treat them with tenderness. These murderers, politicians. Isn't that hypocrisy?
Yes.
Definitely. Or not?
Definitely. Yes, it is.
What else then, huh? Oh, it makes me sick to my stomach. I feel sick to my stomach.
Yes, Master.
How this kind of people sitting at the top and misleading the world.
Yes, that's right.
Damaging the tenet of Jesus
Yes.
and God's commandments.
Yes, Master.
This is not a small thing, huh?
No, Master.
I condemn all these people. They are not good for the world.
That's right, Master.
If they don't repent, they should be condemned.
Yes, that's right.
They should do the opposite. Then maybe I will have compassion. Maybe I will pray for them. But right now they are devils. I don't pray for the devils to prosper. I don't pray for the devils to continue to harm innocent human beings and babies. Do you hear me?
Yes, Master.
I don't pray for these people.
Yes, Master.
Because whatever they do, they just have to go to hell, no matter I pray or not. And I don't want to pray for these people who are murderers of innocent babies. Got that?
Yes, Master.
I don't have compassion for the devils. Because who will have compassion for humanity? For the innocent babies.
Yes, that's right.
Master.
My compassion is for the humanity, for the erring humanity, for the badly influenced by the devil's humanity. I have compassion for the helpless babies, but not for this evil.
Yes, Master.
That's my response to the Pope, if he even has enough intelligence or humane quality to listen.
I just pray to God that they'll listen.
We also.
I pray to God to give them the power to understand what I'm saying, to believe what I'm saying, and just to do what's God's will. Because God says everywhere in all the religions, thou shalt not kill. There's a reason, you see?
Yes, Master.
It's very sad, but has to be said.
Yes, Master.
Has to be said. Nobody says anything. I don't see any newspaper talk about that. Except to print what the Pope said. They have not said anything against it.
That's right. That's right,
Or surprise or shock, nothing. Too powerful.
Yes, Master.
Yes, Master.
Woe to whomever uses their power for the wrong end. Satan and devils will be waiting for them. That's what they tempted them for. So they have more to torture in hell.
Yes, Master.
Yeah. They are bored down there, waiting for these kinds of people. First, they send some subordinates to get them because they're greedy for power and gain. So some of the subordinates of Satan go to them and possess them, or influence them.
Understand.
Yes, Master.
Day in, day out. And then they are happy to wait for them in hell so that they can have something to do, someone to torture, so they can hear their screams.
Oh.
Yeah, what do you think the devils do? What do you think?
They're just torturing.
Yeah, that's their job. They like it.
Yes.
Just like sadistic persons on this planet, they like it when somebody else suffers. That's what it is.
Yes, Master.
Yeah, so that's what awaits them, because heaven cannot welcome this type.
Yes. Yes, Master.
There's no such quality in heaven.
Yes.
That's right.
I cannot emphasize it enough. They don't understand this. Whatever you do, it will be done to you. And 10,000-fold, 100,000-fold, or millions-fold more. And more painful than on earth.
Wow.
You don't die quick.
Oh. Yeah.
You don't die quick. You'll be tortured day in, day out, all the time.
No.
It depends. Mostly you don't have a respite if you yourself do it or condone it or make a law of killing.
Yes, Master.
Yes, Master.
Even meat-eaters, they have some respite in between. But these murderers, they won't.
Wow.
Unending suffering.
Yeah, meat eating only, innocently eating. Because the meat, they make it into like a very neat and tidy package.
Yes.
So people don't connect with the animals that have been murdered or tortured in a slaughterhouse.
Yes, that's right.
Not just dying, but dying in such agony. They don't connect it. And even then, they have to be punished. But less than those who did it themselves, or who did it for selling, for making money. Even just admit you're tortured like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, because they never went to heaven or hell, so they know nothing.
Right.
And even they profess to be Catholic or Christian or Buddhist, they know nothing. They don't listen to the Buddha's teaching or Jesus' teaching.
Yes,
that's right.
And even during like Christmas, when they're supposed to celebrate Jesus, they're killing more animals to eat.
Yeah, I know. Supposed to celebrate birth,
Yes.
And
the
life.
holy, pure birth. And they stained it with blood all over the world. Every Christmas, I felt sick. I mean, physically, ever since I can remember. Since I was young already. Every Christmas, I was very, very sick. And after a long time, after Christmas has gone by, then I get better.
Yes. But then you're followed by other celebrations. You get New Year and then Thanksgiving and all those.
Yeah, I was sick a very long time until after Christmas was long gone. Yeah, that included New Year and all that. Yes, I was often sick before. Yeah,
Yes, Master.
and now I am practicing. But if I'm more going out with people and all that, I also get sick.
Oh.
I have always been sick. Only when I'm in retreat, then I'm well.
Yes, Master.
Yes, Master.
I didn't do retreat just so that I feel well. It's not like that. It's just a byproduct,
Understand. Yes.
a good side effect of it.
Yes, Master.
Whenever I do retreat for a long while, I have no problem. Not sick physically, just emotionally, mentally, psychologically, because of the sickness of the world, because of the suffering of the world.
That's right, Master.
They make me feel pain, but not physical. Sometimes physical, but not so bad like before, yeah?
Yes,
Yes,
Master.
Master.
Not so bad like have to be hospitalized and operation and all that kind of stuff.
Yes,
Yes,
Master.
Master.
We hope that never happens again.
Never mind. Whatever happens, will happen. I just wish I am well and live so that I can do my work. That's all.
We
We
hope
wish
so
that
too,
too.
Master.
Yeah, not that I care or when I go. Sometimes I really wanted to go also.
We understand.
Master.
Go back home, go to heaven, because it's too much suffering to bear sometimes for my little heart.
Yes,
Yes,
Master.
Master.
But I know I won't do that. It's just a feeling, okay?
Yes, Master.
It's just a thought one normally has. But of course I won't do that. I won't go home just yet.
Thank you, Master.
Unless it has to be.
Master, thank you.
All right, my love. Ciao now.
Yes, Master.
Goodbye, Master.
Be well. Be blessed. Pray to God.
Yes, we will.
Thank you, Master.
And thank God. Thank heaven. Thank all the protectors for all of us, yeah?
Yes, Master.
Yes, Master, thank you.
For our luck, for our safety, for our fortune. That we are better off than a lot of people in this world.
Yes,
Yes,
Master.
Master.
All right. Talk to you another time, okay?
Yes, Master.
Yeah.
Thank you.
God bless.
Trời đầy con én nhỏ bên sông, mưa gió một đêm gầy cánh hồng, chót uống men tình say thúy lũy, lối về quên mất nẻo thiên cung.
Look not upon the creatures of God, except with an eye of kindliness and of mercy, and our loving providence have pervaded all created things, and our grace encompassed the earth and the heavens. Baha'u'llah, vegetarian, Baha'i faith.
Tomorrow on Between Master and Disciples.
If you are a baby in the mother's womb, what would you like? Be in torn from limb to limb to pluck you out, or you want to wait until your time comes, come out, say hello to the world, and contribute and live the life that God gives you?
I would want to live.
Yes, all beings on this planet want to live, and that's why God created life.
Téléspectateurs au cœur tendre, nous apprécions votre compagnie pour l'épisode d'aujourd'hui intitulé « Le ciel n'accepte pas que l'on tue les enfants à naître », partie 8 dans Entre maîtres et disciples. Dans un instant, retrouvez l'éducation supérieure de l'âme, extrait de La Voie de l'initiation, écrit par Dr Rudolf Steiner, végétarien, partie 2 dans Paroles de sagesse, juste après les nouvelles d'exception. Restez avec nous sur Supreme Master Television pour plus de programmes positifs. Que la grâce de Dieu soit avec vous alors que vous poursuivez votre voyage spirituel.
Tender-hearted viewers, we appreciate your company for today's episode entitled Heaven Does Not Accept the Killing of the Unborn, Part 8 of 8, on Between Master and Disciples. Coming up next is the Higher Education of the Soul from the Way of Initiation by Dr. Rudolf Steiner, Vegetarian, Part 2 of 2, on Words of Wisdom, right after Noteworthy News. Please stay tuned to Supreme Master Television for more positive programming. May God's grace be with you as you pursue your spiritual journey.
Our programs offer many languages. Please visit suprememastertv.com/schedule and suprememastertv.com/BMD.